don't need to now? Okay. Free for the tax code. I have all People have the Dumas. Good morning, Your Honor. Sean Newman, appearing on behalf of people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, for the record, Brian Legio, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dumas. Mr. Dumas stands to my right. We are ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Your Honor, today's meeting consists of guilty to an added count 3 misconduct in the office, a 5-year felony pursuant to 750.505, pursuant to 771.1. It will then be reduced to an account safekeeping of public money under 750.490 bracket capital A N bracket, that is a 1-year misdemeanor, after the prescribed 11 months under the 771.1 statute, as well as full payment of the restitution. We do have an agreement that restitution is to be paid in full on the date of sentencing. Restitution is to be determined by probation. We would then move to dismiss counts 1 and 2. Also, my understanding that the defendant is waiting his right to be sentenced before Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor. I think the recitations of Ms. Hancock are accurate. The only one matter, Your Honor, we did agree that probation would determine the amount of restitution, but my client does reserve his right, if he disagrees with any numbers, that we at least have a right to have the court hear us on any disagreements we may have with the probation partner. I think that's actually understood, but I wanted to articulate it on the record, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sure, that certainly will be in the sequence of events. And you agree with the recitation of the plea bargain?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay. Raise your hand, sir. Do you swear our affirmed testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your full name, please.
Curtis Lewis Dumas, Jr.
You read, write, and understand English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you taking any medication today?
Oh, Your Honor.
Any drugs or alcohol today? Have you discussed this matter fully and completely with your attorney?
Yes.
And are you satisfied with your attorney this morning?
Yes, I am.
Now, my understanding is you wish to plead guilty to count 1, or add to count 3, misconduct in office, a 5-year felony. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And you were handed this advice of rights form, weren't you?
Sorry.
You were handed this advice of rights form?
Yes, I was.
And did you go over that with Mr. Legio?
Yes, we did.
And do you understand it?
I do.
Is that your signature at the bottom?
It is.
Any questions whatsoever about this form?
None.
You also discussed the plea bargain with Mr. Legio, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about that?
None.
Are you entering that plea bargain of your own free will and choice?
I am.
Have there been any promises, threats, inducements, or coercion that gets you to plead guilty today?
None.
Miss Hangieville. Sorry.
There have not been any threats.
I'll get it right one of these days.
None, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, sir. On or about May 1st, 2006 through December 1st, 2009 in St. Clair Shores, what happened? And you can lead if you so desire, Mr. Legio.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've actually prepared a written statement. The statute, misconduct in office, is a common law crime, and so it's defined by case law. So I've written a factual recitation that's agreeable with the prosecutor and I, and we believe it meets the elements, Judge.
Okay.
Mr. Dumas, would you like to read the statement into the record?
I will. I was Director of Public Works in the City of St. Clair Shores for 5 years until 2010. In about 2007, the city changed bookkeeping and financial procedures requiring all monies received by the DPW from the sale of scrap metal be deposited into a specified city bank account. In my capacity as director, I did not properly deposit scrap metal sale funds into the designated city bank account.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions for the court about the plea you're about to enter?
No.
To misconduct in office, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Court accepts the plea for his matter of probation. We'll get a sentencing date.
Wednesday, February 2nd, 2011 at 9 a.m.
Bond is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Hanfield, right?
Have a good day, Josh.
You too.
People versus Adams. Case number 10359FH, 8 times 7 sentencing. Peter Arvid on behalf of people, Your Honor.
Morning, Honor. Director J.T. Bowden, Mr. Adams, he's here to know that Judge 10 days that presenting in this matter of county the pre-sentence investigation report with Mr. Adams. No additions, deletions, or corrections need to be made to this report. I ask the docket as being factually accurate. I said a few brief words, Your Honor.
Okay. Any other, whoops, where's our...